Breaking update coming in because, as I said, the global consequences that are being felt world over and the shockwaves of the Gulf conflict is now hitting the aviation sector in India. The Air India Group has now announced that a phased expansion of fuel surcharge on both domestic and international routes has now been announced because jet fuel prices are now surging, driven by the escalating geopolitical tensions in the Gulf region. The airline says that the aviation turbine fuel is the biggest expense, and when crude spikes, airlines pass the cost to passengers as per the statement. So when it will be applicable, Shefali, because the airline group says that the surcharge will be implemented in phases across domestic and international routes.
Right. Earlier also we have reported that for domestic operations also we are expecting a hike in airfare. And now Air India Group is the first one to announce the phased expansion of fuel surcharges, saying that because of the geopolitical situation, the fuel prices are rising and they're compelled to make this decision. There are many factors coming in with airlines having so much pressure on them, be it now the insurance war risk that it is on them, apart from operations to Middle East, longer routes and many things taken into account. And they have also said in their statement that 40% accounts of jet fuel for an airline to operate. So now this they have announced, which will have a direct impact on the flyers who will be paying 399, approximately 400 rupees if they will fly domestic on domestic routes. And internationally also they have made different numbers. They have given different numbers of hike in fuel surcharges. Now we have to see. We are expecting other airlines to also come on board.
Yes.
And with the same idea, as we have been told that market needs to gear up, because if
so
the
Air India has said that it
continues
regrets the move. However, it has described it to be unavoidable, attributing to the decision to the factors that it says are beyond its control.